Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is my last video for the month of August for how to kill a kit with style. Yay! I only got 5 videos done, but that's okay because I am going to use this in the month of September for my scrapathon that I'm going to do September, like that whole thing where it's a video a day. And Sarah asked us in the group if we were going to want to keep going with this, and I said of course I want to. So this kit is going to roll over to the month of September, and you will see the video for all of the end results and everything on Friday is when I have it up. So here I am. I get out my mixed media. I do use a couple of different things on there. I get out my shimmers, putting on the glitz, and then I do get out 3 colors that match this kit of Stay Colorful perfectly. And it's 3 distressed oxides. It's worn lipstick, mustard seed, and peacock feathers. It matches perfectly. And I know that when I get done with this, I do cover most of this up, but that's okay because really a lot of it, I wanted it in the background so that if you would play with the paper or whatever, you would see all of this. And I forgot that I should have waited for the blue, that teal like peacock color to finish, because when I put the yellow on, of course, some of it turned green, but that's okay. And I am sorry if I sound a little bit different on these next few videos. My allergies are running high, and it sounds like my nose sounds like it's like plugged. So if it sounds weird give it a month or 2 until it freezes here in Georgia. If it decides to freeze, you may hear my voice be a little weird. So sorry about that. But here I am. I'm going through the 12 by 12 paper pads, and I'm pulling out all the colors that I want to back my photos with. So what I do is I do this particular photo this way with the layers, and then I flip them. I flip them, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this. We're going to roll this into the fall. I'm going to do Scraptember starting in September, obviously, hence the name, but it'll be a video a day, and it's where I've got, now for me, I have themes. So each day of the week, sorry about that. So if you heard my daughter, I love her to death, but she came in, she didn't realize I was doing a voiceover. So if you hear mommy, mommy in the background, that's why. So I had to take care of her quick, and now I'm back. And so here I am. What I did with the photos is that I did 1 layer set going that way, and then what I did I went back down with the layers so it's kind of offsetting just a little bit, just to add a little bit of a different, I guess, design to the backing of my photos. And I do take a bunch of these out. So what I was talking about with the Scraptember, each day of the week, not the number or anything, but each day. So like Saturday I have one thing on, Sunday I have another. So every Saturday you will see stamps. Every Sunday you will see a mix match of stuff. I think I'm going to do a collaboration with Laura Alberts, and we are going to do scrap lifting. And then on Mondays it's close to my heart. On Tuesdays it's sketches, and I do know that I use Heather's from Heather's Crafty Life, her books of sketches, that I'm going to use all of her sketches. And then on Wednesdays it's going to be how to kill a kit with style. Thursdays is mood boards. Fridays is cut files, and that's where all of my design team stuff is at. And guess what? Lisa and I are bringing back Cut It Out. So that's another collaboration that is coming back. We are going to hit that up. It's only going to be 2 for this month, but we're thinking of doing a couple of things throughout the month of October maybe. We're both in college. My schedule is a lot lighter than her schedule. So she's got to tell me like what she can handle and all that kind of stuff. So with all that being said, let's get back to the layout. I put down all my pictures. And I was trying to show you guys how I doubled up the adhesive because of how thick the papers are and stuff. That chipboard needed 2 on each, and then I got it to lay out so it's flat. But it did make the page that much bigger. It was just that when I put all that paper and stuff for layering on the back of the pictures, it kind of, you know, brought it up a little bit, but not too bad. So here I am. I'm just placing down some hearts and some other little embellishments here and there. I take this little chipboard that's arrow and I go yummo. I think, yeah, yummo on it. And it's just something that I know Rachel Ray would say, but my mom and I would always say it too. Every time we would eat. And I am such a foodie. So my title for this one is called Foodies. And my journaling is where I state that I hope that I can get these ladies to think outside the box a little bit and eat something that they may not have ate before. And I do know that when Heather and I would go like to the expo and when we went out to eat and that kind of stuff, I was able to get her to try some different things as well. And I love when I can kind of incorporate a little bit of my funness, I guess, if you want to call it that, into a trip, because it just makes it that much better. I do have the still shots coming up. Make sure that you go and check out. All of the descriptions will be down below. Make sure you go check out everybody's that is in for the month of August. And then obviously check back in September for all of the returning ladies or the ladies that are staying, however you want to say that. And I'm just finishing up with some stickers and all that kind of stuff. And the still shots are obviously at the end. I will link all of the products down below that I can find, which I should be able to find everything. Nothing of the stuff that I know of right now is discontinued. And here I am. I'm just doing up some splatters again just to add a little bit of extra to it. And I do my journaling at the end. And I'm going to leave you with that. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!